I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. My name is Jessica, and I'm here to take you on a virtual walking tour of some of the most beautiful beaches in Barcelona, Spain. So reach for your sunscreen, and let's go. I'll start this tour with a visit to Bogatell Beach, a beautiful and popular sandy beach with plenty of space for you to relax and take in the sunshine. Along Bogatell Beach you will find bars and snack stands, as well as lots of charming little shops. This beach has a great atmosphere and is a great place to spend a day. Next up is Mar Bella Beach, a beach with a unique landscape. This beach is known for its breathtaking views of the skyline of Barcelona, as well as its crystal clear waters. Mar Bella has a long beach walk and lots of fun activities for visitors to enjoy, like rafting or kayaking, or just lounging in the sun. For a fantastic view of the Barcelona skyline, be sure to take a trip up the hill of Parc del Litoral, which overlooks the beach and city. You can take the stairs or the elevator, and you won't believe the beautiful view you'll find at the top. To finish our tour, let's take a look at Bogatell's beach promenade. This promenade is the perfect place to walk, run, or even just to sit and observe the scenery. This promenade offers you beautiful views of the Mediterranean Sea while still being close to the city's attractions. That's it for our tour of Bogatell and Mar Bella Beach. I hope you enjoyed it and that you got to appreciate the beauty of Barcelona. If you liked this video, please give it a like and write a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as I'll have more tours like this coming soon. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!